Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sarepta's gene therapy trials for Duchenne muscular dystrophy have been paused in Europe following a patient death linked to acute liver failure. The European Medicines Agency has requested the suspension of 3 clinical trials involving Elevidys. Investigations are underway to determine potential contributing factors, including a viral infection. Germany has approved reimbursement for Hemgenix, a gene therapy for Hemophilia B. The country will implement a performance-based national model. New clinical data indicates that 94% of treated patients no longer require factor IX infusions. Germany now joins several other European Union countries providing access to this therapy. Xcellbio has partnered with Bluebird Bio to support the commercial production of Lyfgenia, a gene therapy for Sickle Cell Disease. The collaboration will utilize Xcellbio's Avatar platform, which simulates disease conditions to optimize therapeutic performance. This partnership aims to enhance precision and improve treatment outcomes. The California Institute for Regenerative Medicine has awarded $8 million to TR1X to support a Phase 1/2a trial targeting graft-versus-host disease in blood cancer patients. The study focuses on engineered regulatory T cells, which have demonstrated favorable early safety signals. This therapy may improve access to transplants for patients without matched donors. GeneVentive has licensed GENV002, a universal gene editing therapy for Pompe disease, from Duke University. Designed as a one-time treatment, the therapy targets both infantile onset and late onset forms of the condition. If successful, it could eliminate the need for frequent enzyme replacement infusions for over 270,000 patients in developed countries. Minovia Therapeutics has received FDA clearance to begin a Phase 2 trial of MNV201 for Pearson syndrome, a rare pediatric mitochondrial disorder. The cell therapy aims to restore physical growth and overall quality of life. Earlier results showed positive impacts on height and disease-related symptoms. Atsena Therapeutics has secured $150 million in funding to advance its pipeline of retinal gene therapies. The funding will support clinical trials targeting genetic vision loss, including X-linked retinoschisis. The company's lead program has received multiple FDA designations, and global partnerships are expected to expand trial reach. Opus Genetics has reported early clinical success in its trial for OPGx-LCA5, a gene therapy for pediatric retinal disease. The first treated child showed improved visual function without any adverse events. Additional pediatric data is anticipated later in 2025. Alcon has acquired a majority interest in Orion Biotech to strengthen its position in cell therapy. Orion is developing AURN-001 for corneal edema, with a Phase 3 trial scheduled for late 2025. A single donor's cells have the potential to treat up to 1,000 patients. Neurona Therapeutics has raised $102 million to support its Phase 3 trial of NRTX-1001, a cell therapy for drug-resistant epilepsy. Previous data showed up to 97% seizure reduction following a single treatment, with no reported cognitive impairment or serious side effects. Pacira has initiated a Phase 2 trial of PCRX-201, a gene therapy for knee osteoarthritis. The therapy increases production of anti-inflammatory proteins in the joint. The study will evaluate both safety and improvements in pain and function, with early results expected in 2026. Lexeo Therapeutics has shared positive interim results from its trial of LX2006 for Friedreich's ataxia cardiomyopathy. Patients demonstrated improved cardiac function, with significant gains in key biomarkers like left ventricular mass. The therapy uses a heart-specific delivery platform and may qualify for accelerated regulatory approval. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.